guys, welcome to my channel, Freckled Mom. I'm Devin. Today we're gonna go thrift shopping and I'm really excited because I haven't been in like a week or so. I definitely need to get some new stuff. I'm just excited to go and I'm hoping I find something really cute because I have a couple of challenges coming up. I have the prints and pattern challenge, I have an Easter challenge, I have a flower challenge. April showers bring May flowers. And then I have the challenge that I'm hosting with Theresa BDIY, Bloom with Creativity, and I am so excited. So I hope I find some stuff that I can incorporate into the challenges. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, hey! Make sure if you haven't subscribed yet, you subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. You never know what you're gonna get at the thrift stores, so let's get going.
Giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. Guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Hi guys, we're back. Wasn't that fun? Everything I got, the animals are loving right now. So we might have a bunch of visitors. So let's just get right into it. So I went to Savers, it's local, it's not too far from me. I was planning on going to 2 of them because I really wanted to get a good stock of stuff, but it was crazy out there today. I don't know what it was, but there were so many people out. I just got in and got out. I got 3 of these, and these are like metal little trays. It looks like it was like an ashtray, but it's still sealed. So I'm a little confused what it was used for and how it already has like a ding on it. And it was a little expensive, but it's like super heavy. $3.99 for this one. And it says, give us this day our daily bread. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I was thinking maybe painting it and putting like little legs on it. I thought it would be cute. So I got a couple of them. This one is like that same kind of shiny, and this one again, $3.99, so a little expensive, but they're like super heavy, so I like it. And this was the same one as the other one, Bless This House, and I like this one because it's like more old. I don't know. I'm sure there's like a word for it, like patine or something, but I like this one. Again, $3.99. This is probably the most expensive of my purchases. This guy, oh my goodness, so cute. $2.99, but it's really cute and it has like this really nice detail on it. And it looks like it was just like permanent marker, so I'm not gonna have to sand it. And I can definitely put like some kind of IOD stamp on it. I think it's just really nice. I like the feeling of it. Like, I have a thing about textures, so I like this. So this is super cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I like pink, and I like that it's raised and you can like feel it. So it's cute. And for $1.99, I mean, maybe some lip glosses, some pens, I don't know, just like little trinket stuff. This is wicked cute. Look at this frame. Oh my goodness, it is darling. I can totally see this. I mean, obviously cleaned up, like wire brush cleaned up, but I can see this like painted all one color and then like distressed a little bit to see a little bit of color through it, and then maybe put some kind of little decal in there. I just thought this was so pretty and it's just adorable. So I'll figure out something with it. So this was $5, and I wouldn't normally spend that on a frame, but I really liked it. So this was $2.99. Not terribly expensive because you're getting a nice little tin and you're getting some flowers. This is like super cute because it's like fall but like beachy, if that makes sense. So I liked it because it's got the burlap on it. And I mean, that's cute just as is. So for $2.99, yes please. This thing, I don't know what it is, but it's all wood. I mean, it's like solid and it's really, really cute. So like I could picture this with some kind of saying on it and like maybe some kind of like spoons coming out of it or like flowers or I don't know, but I think it's cute. And for $2.99, I mean, I'm not gonna pass that up. Solid wood. Lincoln, excuse you. I have every animal in here right now. So then I got these little candlesticks, $1.99. Not bad, and I could do something with this. I've been meaning to put little risers in the dining room to like, for decoration, you know, but to like change like the dimension or like height and stuff of different things. So I thought these would be cute because I can refinish them. I didn't see this had a chip on it, but that's okay because I'm gonna paint them anyways. And then put like a little plate on it or some kind of saucer or even like a really low bowl. And I think that would be cute. A little dog house. I mean, I guess, I don't know, maybe it's a bird house, but $1.99. I thought this was cute. I mean, you probably could get something like this at the dollar store, but I thought it was cute, so I got it. So this, $3.99 for this. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 6 coasters that all pull out. I haven't untaped it yet, but I think it's super cute. I think I can do something with it. Maybe put some kind of saying on like the side or like a little picture. And then each one of these, I can do something on the actual coaster. So this is cool. This is like just like a bag of stuff, you know, like on the wall where they have stuff hanging. So this was $5.99 and I opened it up, but I didn't pull anything out yet. So let's see. $5.99. We got a little hanging piece, another hanging piece, oh, and a third hanging piece. So that's cool. And then little leaf decorations. So that's super cute because they're like little burlap leaves. I think that's cute. So this was $4.99. It's pretty big. I like the wreath itself. So this wreath I was actually looking for because I have like some lavender and I wanted to like put lavender and like some kind of like, I don't know, like raffia or like seagrass, but some kind of like beachy kind of feel and get ready for summer. I know we're not even in spring yet, but I'm already thinking about this wreath for summertime. I thought it was cute. I probably can repurpose some of these. I don't know. I'm not a fan of like the real fake looking flowers. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe it'll be repurposed. And my last one, look at this. $3.99. How pretty is that? These are so pretty. I think these are just adorable. I think they're tea roses, but I think they're adorable. And I think it's gonna be perfect because I have a lot of challenges coming up. Like I said before, I have a challenge in April with flowers, okay? And then 3 days later, I have another challenge with flowers. So I can never have too many flowers. I think these are super cute. I think that's a great price. If you bought this at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, like this would probably be $20 or at least $15.99. It's in like really good condition. You know, sometimes it has like dust and it's like gross. This looks brand new, so I'm really excited about this. So I don't want you guys to forget. So we have a challenge coming up. It's me, Freckled Mom, and Theresa BDIY, and we are doing an adorable challenge. It's Bloom with Creativity, and it's April 23rd at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am so excited about it. One, because it's my first like challenge I'm hosting. Two, just because it's flowers and I love flowers and I love challenges. So, I mean, I don't know what else there is to not like about it because it's just so exciting. I'm super thankful for Theresa helping me out with my first challenge, and I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. So I hope if you guys want to be part of the challenge, make sure you let me know and I'll send you all the information. But you can also go on my wall and on Theresa's and look for my video where I talk about it in her community, which explains all the information, the rules, the date, the time. So that's it, guys. I don't know which project I'm gonna work on first. I'm not gonna do all of them for the next video. I'm probably gonna pick like 3 or 4 of them to do. I don't know which one, but I think they're all really cute. I just think they all have a lot of potential. You guys know how I am about my thrift flips. At some point, all these things gave somebody like immense pleasure. Like they loved it and they had it up in their house as decor, or they used it. And then one day they decided not to use it anymore and they decided to throw it away or donate it. And now it's mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me. I had a lot of fun, even though it was like super busy. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to hit the bell so that way you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then occasionally, some days thrown in there for challenges, but I'll let you guys know whenever I have an extra day added on. You guys can also find me on Instagram and Facebook as Freckled Mom. So I hope you guys go through your house, go through your basement, go to thrift stores and look for all these unloved, unwanted pieces and clean it up and just paint it. Have fun with it. Just give it new life and show your creativity. Don't forget about my challenge, Bloom with Creativity, on April 23rd. Bye, guys.